Subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifice systems are not one-size-fits-all numbers you can just throw at every system. Okay, so when you're checking subcooling on a TXV system, it's super important to look at the manufacturer's specs or the rating plate on the equipment. Different systems run at different subcooling targets, usually between 10 and 15 degrees Fahrenheit, but it really depends on the model and refrigerant type. For fixed orifice systems, superheat is your go-to measurement, and it usually sits somewhere around 8 to 12 degrees Fahrenheit. But again, check the specs to be sure. Don't just stick with some textbook number. Every system has its own sweet spot. Also, remember, subcooling is about how much the refrigerant is cooled below its condensation point in the condenser, while superheat measures how much the refrigerant vapor is heated beyond its evaporation point at the evaporator outlet. Using the right values helps you avoid problems like liquid refrigerant, flooding back into the compressor, or starving the evaporator coil. If you guess wrong, you might seriously mess up system efficiency or even cause damage. So always double check, use the right tools like a good gauge set and thermometer, and don't skip on reading those specs. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with subcooling and superheat is applying the same target values to every system without checking the equipment's rating plate. This usually causes undercharging or overcharging problems that lead to poor cooling performance or compressor damage. Fix that by always verifying specs first. Another common issue is mixing up subcooling with superheat measurements, which can throw off your whole charge check. Keep in mind, subcooling is for TXV systems and superheat is for fixed orifice setups, so use the right one for each. Finally, some folks forget to adjust targets based on outdoor conditions or refrigerant type, which can make readings misleading. Always consider environmental factors and refrigerant properties before finalizing your charge. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it easier to get reliable help for your HVAC or home improvement needs. Contractors benefit too because it's a great way to find new clients without wasting time chasing leads.